Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. This is Christine from hearcom. Today again, we are happy to have Mr. Hanafi, our senior audiologist from hearcom, and today he will explain to us on what is a hearing test and how it is conducted.
Okay, hello everyone. So today I will explain to all of you about what is the hearing test and how the hearing test will be conducted. So basically, the first point is what is a hearing test. A hearing test is a test that provides an evaluation of a sensitivity of a person's sense of hearing that is performed by an audiologist using an audiometer. Okay, so for the audiometer is used to find this to determine the sensitivity of the hearing at a different type of frequency. Okay, and right now I will explain to all of you about how the hearing test will be conducted. Okay, for the first step is that during the test, what we will do is that we will put the headphone to the patient on both sides, left and right ear. So we will give a sound, a series of sound, which means a different type of sound and a different type of frequency for the client to hear. And whenever the client can hear a sound, they need to press the button for them to respond to it. So if let's say the client don't hear anything, which means don't hear any sound at all, they don't need to do anything. They just need to respond to it whenever they can hear a sound. Okay. After we done with the test, we will plot the result to the graph. It's called as an audiogram.
Alright. So the audiogram allows the patient and the family member to have a clearer picture on what is their current hearing condition, what type of hearing loss.
Yes. Yeah. Basically, from the audiogram, the patient can know what type and what level of the hearing problem that they have, and then we can know also what type of device that is suitable for them.
Okay, very informative sharing. Thank you very much. For further queries and information, you can fill up the short survey, or you can get the link from our description below. One of our hearing experts will give you a call for a free consultation. Thank you for watching.